Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to upload unlisted videos on YouTube. So first thing you're going to need to do is just open your YouTube or your YouTube Studio and then just log in using your account. Once you're logged in, you can see that there is a plus icon at the top. So we'll have to tap on that. And from here, you can select the videos that you want to upload on YouTube. So just select one, and from here you can see all these things that you have to set before uploading, and then you can see that there is visibility, and we just have to tap on this unlisted, so just set to unlisted so that it will only be shown to the people that has the link of the video. And then once done, just tap on next and then just choose the selection audience, and then after that, you can see that there is an upload video at the bottom. So just have to tap on that to finally upload the unlisted video on YouTube. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!